You don't have a money problem. You have a money strategy problem. Let's fix that in the next 2 minutes. Most people aren't broke because they're lazy or unlucky. They're broke because nobody ever showed them the basic playbook. If you want to stop feeling stuck, start here. Rule number one, make more than you spend. First rule, make more than you spend. Sounds obvious, but this is where almost everyone slips up. If you're counting down the days till payday, it's not just about spending less on coffee. It's about finding ways to earn more. Side hustles, skills, freelance, even flipping old stuff online. Money coming in needs to outpace money going out. Track it. Know your numbers. The moment you're making more than you spend, you've already broken out of the broke cycle. Rule number two, automate your saving. Second, automate your savings. Don't trust your willpower or your memory. Set up an automatic transfer so a chunk of every paycheck goes straight into savings the second you get paid. Out of sight, out of mind, but building up in the background. When saving becomes automatic, it's not a chore or a punishment. It just happens, like brushing your teeth or scrolling TikTok. Rule number three, invest early, not perfectly. You do not have to be Warren Buffett or guess the next hot stock. You just need to start. The earlier your money gets invested, the more time it has to grow. Even small amounts work if you start now. Don't wait until you know it all. Waiting is the real mistake. If no one taught you this in school, I will. Hit that follow for real-life money skills nobody else is showing you.